Hello and welcome back to Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple 9-volt LED light with using a few simple parts such as neodymium magnets, LED light strips, and a 9-volt battery. Let's get started. And these are the items you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need: neodymium magnets, 4 LED strips, which makes a total of 12 LEDs, a 9-volt battery, and a 9-volt battery connector. Now let's go and assemble this project and let's get started. First, I'm going to take the 4 LED strips and solder tin them. And there we go, should look just like this. Next, I'm going to take the 9-volt battery and place it in the center. And then take the 9-volt battery clip and connect it. Next, connect the ground of the LED strip to the negative terminal of the 9-volt battery. And repeat the same process with the second strip. And for the third strip, solder the positive of the LED strip to the positive terminal of the 9-volt battery. And now solder the ground of the fourth LED strip to the negative terminal of the 9-volt battery. Next, take a bridge wire and solder the two positives together. And there we go, those two strip positives are now connected. And I'll bend over the bridge wire to the other positive of the LED strip. And there we go, the 3 positives of the LED strip is now connected like the 3 negatives. And it should look just like this. Next, take a wire and solder to the negative terminal of the 9-volt battery, and then take the opposite end of the wire and solder to the negative terminal of this LED strip. And as you can see, that part of the circuit is now complete. Repeat the same process with another wire, solder to the positive terminal of the 9-volt battery, and then solder to all of the positive terminals of the LED strips. And as you can see, it works. The circuit is now complete. Next, I'm going to take the neodymium magnets, flip over the circuit. Next, what I'm going to do is remove the paper that covers the sticky part of the LED strip. Just remove a small portion, cut it off, and now take a neodymium magnet and stick it to the sticky part of the LED strip. Press it down firmly so it stays in place. And now repeat the same process 3 more times, and it should look just like this. And there, the project is now complete. Plug in the 9-volt battery, and you can see the magnets that are stuck to the LED strips sticks to the battery. And there, a very simple lantern. And as you can see, the LED light is very bright with using a 9-volt battery. And of course, if you wanted to add a switch to the circuit, that's a good option, so that way you can turn the lights on and off. With this version, it's very simple. All you have to do is detach the magnets that are attached to the LED strips, remove it on all 4 sides, and detach the 9-volt battery connector. And as you can see, this is a very simple, basic lantern that is very easy to make. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a very simple 9-volt LED light with using a few simple parts, such as a 9-volt battery and some LED strips. Thank you for watching Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.